Abbatron banana plugs and insulated binding posts provide a convenient method of making temporary or semi-permanent connections, with multiple colors available to facilitate color-coded installations. Insulated 5-way binding posts consist of a captive lexan polycarbonate head with either a hex or fluted cap, molded polycarbonate washers to insulate the post from the panel, and either a gold-plated or nickel-plated brass body. Both the insulated and uninsulated banana plugs have a 9/16" long beryllium copper spring contact and a brass body. Insulated contacts have a 1-inch long nylon handle over a brass stud to secure the wire connection, while the uninsulated banana plug uses a steel hex nut to secure the wire against a brass lug. Variations of all three products are available.